The ER310 Weather and Alert Radio. Sold by BRIC US distributors. Introducing the Midland ER310 Weather and Alert Radio, your ultimate emergency companion. This versatile radio features multiple power sources for reliable operation. Recharge the ER310 using its built-in solar panel with direct sunlight. Use the hand crank to power the radio during outages or off-grid adventures. The rechargeable 2600 mAh battery provides up to 32 hours of continuous use. For added flexibility, the ER310 can also run on 6AA batteries. Stay informed with NOAA Weather Scan, which automatically finds the strongest weather channel. NOAA Weather Alert sounds an alarm for severe weather updates in your area. Tune into AM/FM radio for additional news and entertainment. The emergency flashlight includes a bright CIE LED and an SOS beacon. Charge your portable devices quickly with the included USB cable. An ultrasonic dog whistle helps search and rescue teams locate individuals in emergencies. Rated 4.5 stars. Order today for £81.49.